Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A good day for everyone. Today, I would like to talk about my FYP presentation, design and analysis of fuzzy logic controller for solar cell charging system. As we can see, this is my outline of my presentation, which has introduction, problem statement, objective, literature review, methodology, and preliminary result, and the conclusion. Let's talk about the introduction. As we know, the photovoltaic system has huge possibility to become the uh, future energy resource, and although it has some major restrictions and it has some limitations, and beside it has some low it has low energy efficiency. In order to make the solar system a efficient and future friendly, some control strategies has been proposed and applied. The fuzzy logic controller and PI controller, one of the most preferable control strategy. Here is the objective of my presentation. The objective of this presentation will be to design and fuzzy logic controller for the solar cell charging system. Later, I will do some continuous simulation to get the best performance characteristic, and to get the achieve the optimum result. I will apply the fuzzy logic controller, and finally I will compare the result with the other works. Let's talk about the problem statement. The temperature and solar radiation play a big role to get the desired power. The production of maximum power of the solar system is restricted to solar radiation and the operating temperature. Besides, the charging system of the PV panel is also non-linear, so time varying with the considerable time delay. So it's very difficult to achieve a best energy management performance by using the traditional controller approaches. Let's talk about the literature review. As I reviewed several journals and research papers, fuzzy logic controllers is one of the most preferable controller in order to make the solar system more efficient. Why fuzzy logic controller? Because fuzzy logic controller can take the decision as a human mind. It can take the decision between 1 and 0. Other controller like PI and PID controller, they can make the decision between 0 and 1, but the fuzzy logic controller, it has the ability to take the analog input and make it the logical output. Another famous control strategy is PID and PI controller. The main functionalities of the PID controller is to minimize the error in the system by comparing the desired value of the system. Uh, as we can see in there is three constant value in the PID controller, which is KP, KI, and KD. KP is the constant value for proportional, and KI is the integral, and KD is the derivative. So at the sum of this system, it will be the PID controller, and the PI controller is the special case of the PID controller, which has only the KP and KI. In the second part of the table of summary, they have used the PI controller for DC-DC buck converter to maintain the charging process, and they got the result that the PI controller also efficient in order to maintain the charging system of the solar system. The last one, which is my benchmark papers, that is using two control strategy. First one is fuzzy logic controller, and second one is PI controller. They are using fuzzy logic controller to track the maximum power point of the solar system, and they are using the PI controller to maintain the constant current and constant voltage of the system. And the result they got is up to 95% to 99% correct. As we can see in the proposed system, I have designed a fuzzy logic controller. Inside the fuzzy logic controller, there is a rules based system, and there is a membership function has been applied. In each input, there is 7 membership function. So the 7 by 7 matrix has been applied, and there is 49 rules has been applied in order to generate the appropriate output, which is the duty cycle of the system. From the proposed methodology, we can see the result using this graph. In this graph, the result is showing the x and y x and y, it is the input of the system, which is error, and change is error. Z axis is the output of the system. Whenever any change is happening in the x axis or y axis, the output result is generating in the z axis. And by observing this graph, we can also understand the method of the system. The method of the system is to achieve the MPP of the solar system. This is the maximum power point. And how the fuzzy logic controller is doing it, it is taking the error and changes error as input, which is changes power in terms of the voltage. Whenever the voltage change in power in terms of the voltage is positive, in order to get the MPP of the solar system, we need to increase the voltage. So whenever change in error or change error and changes error is positive, so the output will be also positive. Based on my proposed system, I got some primary result of the system. Here we can see there is a three part. There is one is input, two input, error and changing error, and there is a output of the duty cycle. We can as I mentioned before, the rules based system or fuzzy logic system, the input I have put 7 membership function for each. So for 7 membership for each, it's mean I have used 49 rules in order to generate the outputs, in order to generate the output. Here we can see whenever we change the error or the change of error, the duty cycle is changing. To conclude my presentation, I would like to say the fuzzy logic controller would be the most preferable controller in order to make the photovoltaic system more efficient and user friendly, because it takes less time and it is faster than the PI controller, and besides it doesn't take any mathematical requirements such as bot plot and root locus.